Hey, mighty Rough Riders. Yeah, it's Math iReady Day. Um, so, math has some really cool strategies you can use. And so, I just want you to think about how your amazing math teachers get you into a problem, figure things out, and what works best for you. Things like figuring out what the question's actually asking for. Oh, a big one. Use the tools they give you. They might have a built-in calculator or a formula. Those will appear only on the test screen. You can't use any tools outside of a pencil and a scratch paper. So please make sure you have that handy today. Process of elimination goes with Patrick. You know, Patrick on SpongeBob, not the brightest bulb on the tree. There's usually an answer that's like, what? That makes no sense. So even if you just have to eliminate some answers because you're not sure, always get rid of the Patrick one. Try to solve the problem and then look for the answer in the choices. Okay, so always remain calm. Use that scratch paper. And by the way, you have to provide your own or ask nicely from your teacher for some because we're low on paper at the moment. But yeah, make sure you go into every problem with a strategy. As I said before, celebrating you, your iReady reading scores last week were the best we've had in any administration of the iReady. True, it's only been a year, but still, we got to celebrate. And we want you to bring that same energy and attitude to the math. Yeah, if you didn't finish your reading yet, you're going to go straight to the math. You're only going to go to reading maybe on Thursday if you finish and you have time, okay? So don't go back to the reading, focus on the math. I can reassign the test to you if you get yellow or red flags. I don't care what Uno card you play. But that said, there will be some questions that are beyond what you've learned. So it's sort of a fine balance. You'll try your best and then you'll move on. And there are some of you who've actually gotten yellow flags who tested at grade level. So, you know, it's a balance. Right? We talked about this last week a lot. This is information that's going to be shared with all your teachers. It's going to be shared with home. And so the only thing I know personally I ever want to be able to say is, well, I tried my best. You know, maybe I didn't have the best day, or maybe I did, or whatever, but I'm going to give it my best effort because that's the one thing I can always control. And I know that sounds corny, but it's true. What else? Oh, yeah. Chromebook ready, right? You're in advisory now. You're going to be taking the test in third period. You're going to have a whole block of time for the test before lunch. And then after lunch, you're going to go back to instruction unless your teacher feels like you need to keep working. So make sure you have your favorite pencil. And I think that's it. Thanks, everybody. We believe in you. And go get them.